Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today we've got a really special looking 79 series we want to show you, but before I go on, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube and click the bell for notifications. Come on, let's check this 79 out. Well, some people go out and modify their 79 series, but I tell you what, this guy's ticked every box and gone to town on his 79 series. Starting off with a chassis extension, a full J-Max rear end, and J-Max suspension. It's also got an auto conversion. Up the front, it's got the bull bar from ARB, the worn winch, it's got underbody protection, it's got a nice set of method wheels on it. It's now got a Rhino rack. There's so much stuff to list, but at the back of this vehicle it's so well appointed with the Norwell canopy and it's been fully kitted out. So let me talk you through the results for the 70 series. This is a really good example of where a customer actually got a load and go file just loaded into his 70 series before he brought it to us. So what we did was we actually put it back to standard and compared the custom dyno tune done by us here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning on our dyno to the load and go file and to what the vehicle drove out of, just being factory standard. So when we first ran the vehicle up on the dyno, it had 102 kilowatts of power and 465 newton-meters torque. This was with the load and go file into it. What we then did was put it back to stock standard, where it ran up 84 kilowatts of power and 331 newton-meters torque, which was exactly what we expect with the modifications being done to this vehicle with the big tyres as well. After we completed the custom dyno tune, it went to 127 kilowatts of power and 621 newton-meters of torque. You can see those massive gains in torque over the load and go file to the custom dyno tune at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. The other big thing I'd like to make mention about the improvements of this vehicle over stock standard was over 50% gain in power, but over 85% gain in torque. If you're in a common rail diesel or a 79 series and like to unlock some extra power and torque out of it, give us a call and speak to our diesel expert at Ultimate Diesel Tuning or drop in our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia. Make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.